Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Fortnite, but there are steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Follow this guide to help you resolve controller drift. Step 1. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can accumulate around the analog sticks, causing drift. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dirt and gently clean around the sticks with a microfiber cloth. Step 2. Check for software updates. Ensure your controller S firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to the console or PC and check for any available updates in the settings menu. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In Fortnite, navigate to the settings menu and adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 4. Reset the controller. If cleaning and adjustments don't work, try resetting the controller. This can usually be done by pressing the reset button located on the back of the controller or by following the manufacturer's instructions. Step 5. Replace or repair. If the drift persists after trying the previous steps, it may be time to consider repair or replacement. Check if your controller is still under warranty or look for professional repair services. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift and improve your gaming experience in Fortnite.